Welcome to Real Estate Investing for Beginners, how to make money online with rental properties. Real estate investing is a fantastic means to build wealth and generate passive income over time. In our digitally advanced age, it's even possible to make money online through rental properties, regardless of your prior experience within real estate. If you're a beginner looking to get started with online real estate investing, here are some valuable tips. Firstly, choose the right online platform. It's crucial to find a platform that suits your needs and investment goals. Secondly, research the market. Understanding the market trends and property values is key to making informed decisions. Thirdly, start small. It's okay to begin with a single property and grow your portfolio over time. Next, analyze potential returns. Look at the rent you could charge, the property's potential appreciation, and costs involved to give you an idea of the returns you can expect. Have a solid investment plan. A clear plan will guide your decisions and help you stay focused on your goals. It's also important to get professional help. Real estate agents, lawyers, and accountants can provide valuable advice and ensure you're making the best decisions. Lastly, be prepared for the unexpected. Things may not always go as planned, so having a contingency plan is crucial. Overall, online real estate investing can be a lucrative way to make money with rental properties. With careful research, planning, and a solid investment strategy, even beginners can successfully navigate the market and build a profitable real estate portfolio. Make sure to follow us for more valuable tips and check the link in our bio at Steve Granji for more insightful content.